Matt, back up. You go back.
Alright, once it does it, just grab your phone. Because once he does it, I'm going to go grab it. I'm opening this.
Y'all gotta record. He about to get it as soon as he get close. That nigga missed. It's so messed up, yeah.
Hit his ass. Got him. Got him.
His eyes popped up.
He's going to squeeze him. He's got him bit right now. Now he's going to have to wrap him.
He's squeezing it in.
Stop talking about video, man. Look, the blood's coming out the John's mouth.
Yeah. He's done.
That's a big ass fucking snake, though. Watch that snake, because he's not. Let me see. Let me
coming out, bro.
Look, he's starting on the ass and eating the butt. He's eating the butt.
I'm keeping this on.
I probably can't even send a video that long ago.
You gonna cut it. Just cut it until when. Twitter.
Yeah, I got a Snapchat that one.